Good morning, student. Welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn Unit 2 Electronic Spreadsheets, Session 2 Linked Data and Spreadsheets. Before I start the class, I want to share simple thoughts with you all. Your future is created by what you do today and not tomorrow. So if you want to achieve something bigger in future, you should work hard today and not tomorrow. So with these thoughts, we will start our today lesson. So I would like to give small recap about previous session. What we saw in our last class, we saw about data consolidation, subtotal, multiple operation, scenarios, goal seek and solver. These are the topics we would have learned in our previous session. So what is data consolidation? It's nothing but we can combine multiple sheet in a single sheet, that is called data consolidation. Subtotal means you want to find a addition of some part of worksheet alone, means we can go this option subtotal. Multiple operation means if you want to copy the same formula for all the values, all the different values, means we can go this multiple operation. The multiple operation is purely based on the formula, not on values. We want to copy the same formula to all the different values, means we can go this option multiple operations. Scenarios means if we want to categorize the data, I can go this option scenario. Scenario is here. It's a tool for what if questions. So whatever things we want to display. For example, in 10th standard, I'm having 190 students name list in my worksheet. I just want alone 10A students, means so I can categorize as students like 10A, 10B, 10C, 10D, 10E. So I can create the scenarios like all the classes. I can display all the classes name easily by using the scenarios. Goal seek means goal seek is mainly based on the output, it's not on input. So in computer is mainly based on input. If I'm giving input, then only the computer able to give the answer, that is called your output. But in goal seek, we know the output value, we want to find the input value. That is the main feature of the goal seek. Okay, the last one, solver. The goal seek and solver more or similar. What is the main difference between goal seek and solver is, in goal seek we can change the values of input variables only one, but in solver we can change the input values for more than one cells. Okay, we are going to use the same formula, but we can give some rules, we can set some conditions for the input values. By using the solver, we can also solve the linear equations that you can study in your maths algebra. Linear equation x plus y equal to 2. So what is the value of x and y? We can easily solve by using the solver. Okay, these are the topic we have discussed in our last session. Let me move on to the today's section. So what are topics we are going to focus today? The first topic is about identifying sheets. Second one, inserting new sheets. Third one, renaming worksheet. Fourth, create or change a cell reference. Fifth, referencing other sheets. The last one, working with hyperlinks. So these are the topics we are going to focus today. So you all must know what is the difference between worksheet and workbook. So what is worksheet? Worksheet is a single page spreadsheets or page in Excel or a Calc, whatever application you are using. Okay, so when I'm opening my OpenOffice Calc, I'm getting one page which consists of number of boxes, that is called cell. That sheet, the single sheet is called what? Worksheet, because we are going to work on the sheet. That's why it's called as worksheet. It's a file or single page in your spreadsheet application that you can write, edit and manipulate data. Then what about workbook? The workbook is a collection of worksheet is referred to as the workbook. It is very similar to a single page and a complete book. Okay, for example, in your book, you'll be having a collection of pages called what? Book. So that book name is called workbook. The single page is called worksheet. So I hope you all can able to understand what is the difference between worksheet and workbook, right? The next topic is about identifying sheets. So how can I identify sheets in the worksheet? It's simple by using the name. Okay, but if we want to change the name of sheets, but also you can do by using the rename sheet option. So whenever you open a new spreadsheet, it has by default, it has a sheet name is called sheet 1 here. So here I am having a picture of sheet which is having the name of sheet 1. By default all the sheets having a name as sheet 1. So if you want to add more sheet, the numbers will be consecutive. That is sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So which is used to managing the tabs at the bottom of the spreadsheet, that is called your sheet tab. This is called a sheet tab that is used to manage your sheet name. If you want to add the sheet, all these can be done by using this sheet tab. The next one, inserting new sheet. I said by default there is 3 sheets will be there in your OpenOffice Calc. If suppose you want to add more sheets in your workbook, so what shall I do? I can easily press this plus symbols near the sheet 1, that is right side of a sheet 1 will be having a plus symbol. Simply press this plus symbol to get a new sheet. So what will happen? So already I'm having sheet 1, so when I click this plus button, what will happen? Sheet 2 will be added near this sheet.